do you have any recommendations on how to stay on top of email? How do you keep organized? Yeah, I'll show you. Let me go to email right now. I'm an open book. I've got nothing to hide. So let me go to Gmail. What I do is I'll actually flag things. So starred. You see here? So these here are all these stars, okay, that I have to come back to later. So I really believe that you need to touch hand once, and that's kind of an old school thing. In the old days, before email, you used to get these inter office memos, piece of paper, whatever, in your inbox, and great business people would say, touch hand once, only let it touch your hand once. By the same token, when it comes to my emails, I don't open a lot of them, but I deal with them immediately. Immediately. So when I get up in the morning, the first thing I do, and I got into a car accident years ago, so my back's kind of messed up, but it worked out quite well. I'm actually happy it happened for other reasons because it guided me down a different path in life. But what I do because of my back is I have my iPad hooked up to this stand. And my wife jokes that it's my IV machine, my IV iPad. And it sits above my bed. And so what I'll do is when I wake up, the first thing I'll do is, well, I'll read a quick passage from the Bible. Then I'll go to Gmail. And when I go to Gmail, what I'll do is I'll answer all emails immediately. And I'll forward them to my staff as well if I want somebody else to take care of something. And if it's something important, I'll star it, which is what I just showed you there within Gmail. I'll star it, yeah. And I can't answer all emails. It's really, really hard. It's tough. I've got over 1 million students. So if I don't respond, please don't take it the wrong way. I'm drowning. I can't keep up. So a lot of my emails, actually, I think most of them now, I don't even open. But I know from the subject line what's important and what's not. Now, what I do on my iPhone is I have favorites as well, so that the second somebody sends an email that's on my favorite list, I'll see it. So anyway, that's what I recommend. But the second you see it, take care of it right away. And you might want to also schedule your life so that the only time you're allowed to check emails is when you're on the elliptical trainer or on the bike at the gym or when you go on walks. And set aside that one time per day when you do that. Yeah, because email, it could take over your life.